Hello, so this is my MacBook M1. You can see this is my MacBook Air M1. In this MacBook Air, I am going to install Docker. So first of all, not only Docker, I will also show you how to install Kali Linux using Docker and set up Cybersecurity Lab inside your MacBook Air. So first of all, you can go to the official website and you can search for Docker. Okay, so go to the Safari browser and search for Docker. Docker desktop. Okay, from here you can go to the official website. Okay, so this is the Docker official website, and if you go behind and go to the Docker desktop here, from here you can see Docker client and all the applications are available from here. Now you can see install Docker desktop for Windows, Linux and Mac. So I will click on Mac. I want for Mac. It's asking for Mac Apple Silicon or Mac Intel chip. So we have to download for Mac Apple Silicon because I am using MacBook Air M1. So I click on this one, click on allow, and the downloading has been started. So you can see the Docker image has been started downloading. The file size is 565 MB, and once the file will be downloaded, I will show you how to install and set up Docker inside your MacBook. So first of all, you have to learn that from where you have to download. If you see the link docs.docker.com, so this is the official website of Docker. You can get the Docker desktop image for MacBook from here. Okay, you can also see here install Docker desktop on Mac. It means this is the official link for the Docker. Okay, so let's wait. Once the download will be complete, I will show you the installation. So it will take few seconds only. You can see within 5 seconds that will be downloaded. The download will be complete. That will be docker.dmg file. Okay, now the file is here. Now I am going to double click on this. Okay, to install this application. Now you can see this option. Now drag this, select this Docker option and drag to the application folder. Okay, and once you drag, it's done. Now what you need to do, you can see copying the Docker to the application. Once it will be copied, done. Your Docker is desktop is available inside your. You can see now. Let's go to the applications and search for the Docker. Okay, so from here you can see the Docker application here. So now click on the Docker. Once you click on the Docker, you see verifying Docker. So verification is going on. It will take few seconds only. Now click on open. Click on accept. Use recommended setting. Okay. Click on finish. Now you have to type your password. Password of your MacBook. Okay. Now Docker added. You have to allow network devices to use. If you want to use for work, you can use this. You can use your email address. So I'm going to use my email address, or if you want to use this only, like just you can type your email address here. Okay, then you have to type your password here. Click on continue. Okay, just wait. Wrong password. Okay, it's not taking. Continue with Google. Click on continue with Google. Select the email address from here. Now type the password. Continue. Okay. Okay. So now done. Okay. So you can see here. So you can off this option. So if you want to take the survey, you can take. But if you don't want, you can just simply skip. Okay. And now you will see this option. So this screen will be your final screen once the everything will be set up. Okay. So this is your desktop Docker desktop. Now you can open the terminal from here. Okay. And if you open the terminal, just click on the terminal, enable. Now you can see the terminal is opened here. Okay. And if you want to pull the Docker image from here, any Docker image like Kali Linux, you can do that by running Docker pull Kali Linux slash Kali dash rolling. Press enter. And if you see, it's downloading the Kali Linux latest image. And done. The image has been downloaded. Okay. So once it's downloaded, what you need to do, you need to run this image. How to run it? Just type here docker run dash it. Okay. And then the operating system name like Kali Linux. And the full name Kali dash rolling. After after typing the name, you have to type the shell in which shell you want. So by default, the Linux machine run in bin bash shell. Okay, so just type the shell and done. And here you can see in the desktop container, the Kali Linux machine is here. And if you type who am I, you can see it's telling like you can just type simply who is login, who command, and you can see the pwd command, and it's showing you are inside the root. It means right now root is login here. Okay. So if root is login here, it means you are login as a root. And now you can run the Linux command, all the Linux command here, because you are inside the Linux machine right now. Okay. So here you can also see this one. You can select this one and you can also check what command you have run and all those things information. This is our Kali Linux machine. You can see the status. You can go to the images and you can see the which image we have already downloaded here. Okay, if you want to play, if you can simply run here, run from here. You can, if you want to delete, simply you can delete the image from here. So it's very simple to run Kali Linux inside MacBook using Docker. You can run multiple operating system, multiple hacking tool, cybersecurity tools, penetration testing tool using the Docker inside your MacBook. Okay. And if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me through the comment section. Okay. Any doubt. Okay. Because according to your doubt, I will move ahead and create the new video. So thank you. Thank you for watching.